So I thought we'd have a little chat, and I'm going to get a little bit philosophical here. So what I want you to do is imagine this. What I want you to do is imagine that the universe has just served you up a gourmet plant-based meal of the most delicious and divine kind, because that exists in our world. So the universe has just served you up this delicious gourmet meal, and it's sitting there on your table on this gorgeous plate waiting for you. However, you're sitting there and you've just gorged, eaten, stuffed yourself full of food. Maybe some of it's good for you, maybe some of it's not, but you've just eaten and eaten and eaten, and you haven't digested it yet. You haven't digested that food, so you're sitting there stuffed full of food, and yet the universe has just delivered you this most divine gourmet meal, and it's sitting there right in front of you. So I want you to imagine that. And then I want you to understand that this is a metaphor for life. So if you imagine everything that you've eaten, everything that you've consumed, represents everything in your body, everything in your mind, everything in your field that you've taken inside of yourself through your whole life, whether it's pain, things that don't serve you, things that you've held on to that you really need to let go of. You're sitting there holding on, and it's not digested yet, because if you haven't let go, if you haven't digested it, processed it, it's still in your field. And I want you to imagine that it's the same. So if you have anything in your field, anything in your body, anything in your system, then that is going to stop you enjoying the divine delights that the universe has in store for you, that's waiting there, those divine gourmet nuggets of deliciousness that the universe has right there for you in the infinite possibilities of things that you're yearning for, that you're longing for in your life. They're right there, and the universe wants to serve you that gourmet meal. But in order for you to enjoy it, this is really important. You have to digest, process all the things inside of yourself that you need to let go of. And that creates the space so that you can enjoy that meal in its fullness. I don't know if this makes sense to everybody, but I'm trusting that there's somebody out there that this makes sense to. So if that's you, this is for you. And I love you.